Hey, hey guys, we're doing a burping contest.
Can you do it upside down?
Well, I can do better.
Can you like move over a little bit? Do you mind?
Oh, no. I was here first, dude.
Actually, I'm like out of it. Just like.
I got
If you guys heard that, I just farted in his face. How'd you like that beef stew?
I didn't like it whatsoever. Cameron, you're in the video. Dude.
Fail.
Okay, let's restart. You're you first.
Okay.
Oh, that was easy. Alright, ready? Now the gargly burp. Go.
I'm doing. Look at me.
Go, dude. That was a tie.
Hey guys, don't drool. It's disgusting. Oh my god, it's not coming out. Hey guys, we both got phones. Mine's awesomer though.
No, not really. Have you ever heard of a burp come out of your butt?
Go.
Bye.
Okay, click stop.
Bye.